description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something for you to check out that came by way of HongKongFoodies.com. Go check them out. They got some rad, hard to find stuff. This is Nissin Demae Iccho 100% Hokkaido wheat flour mala pot flavor. See? Maybe? Mala pot flavor. So, it's spicy flavor. If you like it hot, that'll do it for you. Noodle block, 3 minutes, off we go. So how are you doing? It's November 10th, 2025. I'm joined by myself here in the beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington Ramen Raider World Headquarters studio deal thing. And yeah. And I've used a lot of forks today. And had a lot of pot cleaning. But you know, that's kind of the deal. Is there like a shrieking stellar jay outside? We got more bird feed and some squirrel and critter yums. And those stellar jays, they're pretty big. They're like the largest thing we see on our deck. Sometimes, actually, my wife saw a pigeon the other day. Which, that's kind of cool. She was like, oh my god, it's a dove. No, wait, it's a pigeon. Aren't doves just white pigeons? Or aren't pigeons just not white doves? Something like that. Well, that's what I've heard. But, yeah. This noise outside. I don't know, working on some apartment, but it kind of sounded like somebody was like farmer blowing. That's like when you cover up one of your nostrils and just blow really hard. Yeah, I don't know what's going on out there. I think they're working on an apartment or a patio or... It could be a bird. I don't think it's a bird, though. Yeah, November 10th. What a freaking wonderful time to be alive in America, folks. It's just so jacked up here. You have yourselves to blame. Well, not all of you. I don't know. Just be nice. It doesn't cost anything, and learn how to behave. All go back to kindergarten, do some finger painting and talking about happiness and niceness and doing the right thing and looking both ways to cross the street. I think at age like, I don't know what age would be best, but I think America needs remedial kindergarten on how to like treat each other. Wouldn't hurt. I don't know. Is that because I'm old? Freaking old. I don't feel old. I'm sorry. I don't feel like this is not the way I expected to feel at the age that I'm at. I figured I would have like a whole bunch of I don't know. The ideas you have about aging when you're a kid are completely different from reality, I would say. I thought things would be all like different, but no. Let's add this goo. Here we go. There we go. See that? You can do that in the water. and it kind of sucks it in and out too. So you get a whole deal. Let's look at this. I've never tried this. This sounds interesting. I'm guessing it's going to be like spicy Szechuan, oily. I don't know. I figured it'll probably be good. I would say there was only one. Yeah, so this morning I accidentally posted something that was done recently. And it was one of the Demae Iccho udon ones, and it was the one I liked least out of all the ones that they sent. And so I'm like, oh, sorry I had to post something sooner, but interesting. I am enthused. The broth looks lovely. Lovely! It looks really hot too. Cheers. Yeah, it's got to be some kind of saw out there. That's a good noodle. I like that noodle. Now, ooh, look at that. All right. Ooh. Nice bite to it. Not too spicy, but just right. Definitely not too salty. And that's what I like about it. It more carries with like the herbs and stuff rather than just like a big salt smack. Oh man. I've got a gammy leg. I swear. So if you'd like to donate to the Ramen Raiders Gammy Leg Fund, you have options, and they're in the thing. I'll tell you how to send money if you want to donate to my cause. Not really for my leg, but for what I'm doing here. Oh! A little comb over. Let's do a little comb over. I really like that broth. That's pretty. We started watching the Great British Bake Off. We used to always call it the Great British Baking Show. And I was like, they must have changed the name. I'm like, no, I think we were doing it wrong all along. I think we were calling it the wrong thing. But that's okay. That's okay. We're all growing, learning, doing. Torching. I highly recommend if you do anything in the kitchen, get a torch. It's such fun. There's nothing better than like doing that and watching the flames go up. Granted, if you have really long hair, I would think that could be a bad thing. Get what I'm saying? Burn your hair, start a hair fire. Have you ever started a hair fire? I did once. That was not pleasant. Not at all. Yeah, I used to have really long hair. And my nickname was Hairball. Bet you didn't know that. There's some channel lore. Who told me about that? There's a fat hipster. He was saying, yeah, there's it's great channel lore. I'm like, what are you talking about? Well, like, only stuff that people that follow you really closely will know about. It's like, Huh. Told me about that a long time ago. I'm like, if I can think of something to talk to you guys about, I do. And I think that's probably pretty evident at this point. There's like the, I could be silent the whole time and that would be pretty boring. I don't know if that would be more of the ASMR kind of deal. Come on, let go. There you go. A little bit of that wonderful pepper pubic hair. Well, that's crazy. So this one that I usually use for the show is doing that. Warning, temperature. So it got too hot. So I guess I'll have to manually do this. I'll just hang out for a minute. Well, that's it for me for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Sorry about the technical difficulty. This is kind of going to be more of a pain in the butt on my end. Yeah. Weird. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and goodbye. Goodbye.